Mga kapatid, gusto raw masubukan ni Rita Daniela ang iba pang showbiz opportunities ngayong lumipat na siya sa partner ng kapatid network na Viva. O 'di ba? Hindi naman daw niya ititigil ang laban para sa karapatan ng kababaihan. Narito po ang report. Hindi na napigilang maging emosyonal ng aktres na si Rita Daniela nang i-welcome ang bagong yugto ng kanyang karera. After 21 years kasi ay umalis siya sa kanyang former network for a fresh start sa entertainment juggernaut Viva. More great things in store naman daw para sa actress-singer na marami pa raw gustong gawin sa showbiz.
I really just want to explore new opportunities po talaga because we all know that Viva po has a lot of platforms right now, and syempre they produce concerts, they have musicals, they do series, which is I heard Viva Movie Box or Viva One, and I would really love to try them all.
Kasama ni Rita sa contract signing ang kanyang partner na si Lyceum star player Maclaude Guadagna.
Grabe po itong blessing to have a fresh start, and it's just so important to have a fresh start and new journey with the most important people in your life.
Hindi man direktang sinagot, pero matapos ang naging di kaaya-ayang insidente niya kay Archie Alemania noong 2024, kung saan sinampahan niya ng kasong acts of lasciviousness ang aktor. Patuloy pa rin isinusulong ni Rita ang women empowerment at pagsulong ng karapatan ng kababaihan kung ito'y naba-violate na.
Pinaglaban lang naman ako that I think that it's worth fighting for, and it's my right as a woman. And I don't see it honestly as a like a negative thing. I did that not just for myself, but it's also I would really want to be a reminder for every human being, you know, na nakaranas nun, that okay lang, may boses tayo. Pwede mo siyang sabihin out loud na hindi sila nag-iisa kasi andito din ako.
Abangan si Rita sa iba't ibang partnerships at platforms ng Viva na isa sa content partners ng TV5.